You may have watched my previous video with the same title, but it's different this time. What I shared last time was just to tie the ribbon bow, and you can put it on the gift without this part. And this time the ribbon wraps around the gift like this. Because you have to do a little calculation in advance, so I will demonstrate twice with this ribbon and also this one. I untied the ribbon bow just now so that you can see that after you wrap around the gift, for the two tails, the ratio are roughly, this one, the longer one is double of the shorter one. So if you want to wrap around the gift just once, like this, the knot should be tied here. I suggest you to watch my previous videos on how to tie a single ribbon bow with single-sided ribbon as well, because it is somewhat similar. So you crisscross both ends like this at the center, pass through the short end up, and after that the wrong side will face up. And then for the long end, you make one loop, two loops, like so. Perhaps the loops are too long. Wrap this part tight, and then one more loop here, but I would like to pass this end back at the center in the middle, because I just don't want the tail to be at the front, in front of the loops. So I put it at the center again, and then wrap it tight. So the three loops have to be of similar sizes, like this. And then tie just like what I did for the single ribbon bow. So you grab this tail, wrap it round the center once and half more round, and then thread it through the center again to make the final loop, like so. You may need to do some adjustment for the length so that all the loops and the tails are balanced. But it is for the calculation that I told you just now, it is more or less the right calculation. So there you have it. So if you want to wrap the gifts lengthwise and also horizontally, then you have to do a little more calculation. You just wrap it around once, and then this way once, and you know how much is left. Then it's about 2/3, right? So it's around here. So I'll do the wrapping off camera. So I have wrapped around the gift this way and this way. I assume that wrapping like this is very simple. You know how to do it, so I won't bore you with the process. If you want to tie a knot here to make it more secure, you can do so. And this way, I have to turn it around. One loop, 2 loops, 3, and thread it through the loop under, like this, and you grab this part tight, and then go around here like this, and half more round, and then thread this through to make the 4th loop. So this tail is a bit long. If you want to, you can snip it away, or you can just adjust the lengths until you're happy with all the loops. If you want to tighten the knot, just grab this one, this tail, the one, this loop, and this end at the back. But now I want to adjust the lengths. And you have to be patient to do the adjustment. Now, it's more or less the same. They are more or less the same, of the same length. There you have it. I hope you liked my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.